and show you guys what the back of the van looks like. I think it turned out pretty good. We have our bed, pillows, the dogs have their beds, and all of our stuff is underneath. We have the jackery, we have everything else back there. But yeah, the dogs are being kind of a pain, but it's just because I think they're kind of nervous and they don't know what we're doing, but they're right here. And so yeah, we're just gonna try to drive as much as we can through, and our first stop is Amarillo, Texas. Driving and we're talking, and then all of a sudden, look what happens.
The mirror fell off.
The mirror falls off. The mirror fell off. Look at that. While we're driving, it goes blah, blah. Yeah. Driving in cold weather really sucks because it just makes everything harder. And it makes things worse and scarier, and I can't wait until we get to Florida. yeah. Hey guys, so sorry it's been a while since we've recorded anything. We got into Amarillo really late, and it was a struggle. It was so cold last night everywhere, but here it was really cold, and so we just had to keep pushing here. The roads were really bad. We're both really tired still. We tried to get some sleep. We ended up just getting a hotel room for the night just because it's so cold outside, and we feel bad because the dogs are having problems. They're even having a hard time going like pee outside, so we're just trying to take it minute by minute and just see kind of where we're at. But right now we're in Amarillo, like I said. We're gonna push forward to Louisiana. This is gonna be a long drive. It's gonna be about 13 hours. We're gonna try to make it through. Well, mainly David, he's been the one driving because the weather is just so bad. But we're gonna go to Louisiana, and if we get tired along the way, we're probably gonna stop and try to sleep in the van if it's not too cold, if we can get it warm enough. But yeah, so I'll keep you guys updated on what's going on, and I'll talk to you soon. So it's been a while since we've recorded anything. We are in Roanoke, Texas right now. We are headed towards Louisiana still. It's been quite the challenge, but there's some interesting things going on right now, and I'll let David explain.
My power cord broke during the middle of where we're at, and all the power is out pretty much for a 25-mile radius in this town, except for the 7-Eleven. So everyone's here getting gas, food, whatever they need to stock up on. So it is crazy. It is crazy up in here.
Yeah, so that's what's going on. We're trying to drive through, but then David's phone cord broke. So luckily we found the 7-Eleven, or else it would not have been good because his phone died. So yeah, it has definitely been the evening, but we're staying positive and trucking along. Alright, so we just made it to Dallas, and pretty much it is pitch black everywhere. Nowhere has any power. It's pretty creepy, and
it's like really crazy.
It's really crazy. Like, look at, like, you guys don't see anything lit up. Everything is just black. It's crazy. Yeah, you can't even tell that there's giant buildings next to you, next to us. It's nuts. And now you'll notice that there's some lights, which is good. It's kind of scary driving on the highway with none of these lights, huh?
Yeah. Pretty crazy.
So you guys obviously can't see, but these are all apartment complexes to the right here.
And they're all blacked out.
And they're all black. They're all blacked out.
No electricity.
No, not at all.
This makes me
There's
appreciate
none.
van life even more.
Yeah. It's like absolutely nuts. Like, you guys don't see anything. See? There's the highway. And then, yeah, it's crazy. Look at all that. It's just all dark.
Everyone's trying to like warm up in their
Oh
cars.
my god, yeah. That's crazy. Yeah. Let's see, we just made it to, where did we make it to? Garland, Texas. Just
What's up, guys? So today's the 17th. Yesterday we made it to New Orleans, but I was just too tired to record. I had stayed up 35 plus hours to keep driving through the snowstorm, ice storm, because it was like pretty bad and ice just all over the roads, and we can only go like 25 to 30 miles per hour, and sometimes not even that, only like 5 miles per hour. But we got through it, and we went through Texas, which was crazy, and they're still dealing with power shortages and stuff, and that was pretty crazy to see, like the long lines at 7-Eleven and just all the gas stations, and it was pretty crazy. So we went through there, then we went through Louisiana, and that's when the roads even got worse. Spike's whining right now. Why are you whining? Once we got to New Orleans, everything was clear. Today it's kind of rainy and like icy out. We didn't record too much on our drive here just because how stressful it was. I tried to... Spikey, chill out, bro. I tried to send out the drone to like show the roads and stuff, and it was just so cold out that the drone just would not fly. So it's all good though. But yeah, so this video that I put out for our first day of travel, first 2 days actually, might be a little weird because there's not gonna be too much, and it's gonna kind of be like, oh, here's an update, and then nothing really. It's gonna be weird. But yeah, the van did great. There was a couple times that I got sideways and thought we were gonna end up in the ditch, but we didn't. Thankfully, I have experience in driving in that weather, so I'll show you guys here. Oh no, I can't show you, it's all fogged out. The doggies are like sitting by the window watching all the boats out there. They're like, what's that? We decided to get a hotel when we came to New Orleans just so we can get a refresh and just get a really good night's sleep, and we plan to sleep in the van today. So today we're going to try to get to Destin, Florida, which will be a different video. So but yeah, so here's this weird video.
It's gonna be fine. Don't show me.
Alright, we'll see you guys on the next one.